Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my 5-ingredient lemon curd. Let's get into it.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. Into a large glass bowl, grate the zest of 2 lemons. Now juice your 2 lemons until you get about 80 milliliters or 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Place a heat-proof bowl over a pan with about 1 inch of water. Into our bowl with our zest goes 1 egg, 2 egg yolks, 134 grams or 2/3 a cup of sugar, 1 gram, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and those 80 milliliters or 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Start whisking that all together. At this point, you want the water in your pan to be at a gentle simmer. I've got mine on medium-high, but monitor the heat throughout your cooking process. The sugar in our mix is going to start to melt, and this is going to start to thicken, like a hollandaise sauce. This will take 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you're whisking constantly. Our lemony mix has lightened in color, and you can stop at this stage, but I'm going to take it 1 minute further because I like my lemon curd really thick. Now that it's slightly thicker, we're going to take it off the heat. While it's still piping hot, add in 6 tablespoons, 86 grams of butter that you've chopped into bits. Keep whisking until the butter is completely melted and then emulsified into the lemon mix. This shouldn't take too long. Transfer into a jar for storage and cover with cling film so that the cling film sits directly on top of the surface of the curd. This will prevent any skin from forming.
This lemon curd is amazing on pancakes or scones, as a filling in a cake, or even in a little lemon tartlet. You can keep this lemon curd in the fridge for up to 10 days, but it will actually freeze for 6 months. So you can have lemon curd on hand all the time. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love lemon, make sure to check out my lemon drizzle cake recipe. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.